Have you ever wondered why your grandparents had such thick, lustrous hair without all the fancy shampoos we use today? There's a forgotten herb from the Himalayas that elders swore by for stronger, faster-growing hair, and today we're bringing it back to life. Hi, I'm Dr. John Smith. Today we're diving deep into jatamansi, the forgotten Indian herb that's been hidden in ancient Ayurvedic texts for centuries. This rare flowering plant from the high Himalayan slopes, also known as Nardstuchi's jatamansi or spikenard, was a secret weapon our ancestors used to combat hair thinning, dryness, and even premature graying as they aged. What makes it special for us over 55? Unlike modern chemicals that irritate sensitive scalps, jatamansi gently nourishes from the roots, balancing the body's natural energies, or dashas in Ayurveda, to promote real, lasting growth. Why elders loved jatamansi back in the day, before big pharma and endless hair products, village healers in India, Nepal, and beyond turned to jatamansi roots for hair miracles. Elders applied it as oil or paste during weekly champi massages, passing down recipes through generations because it strengthened fragile follicles that weaken with age. Studies echo this wisdom. Animal research shows jatamansi boosts estrogen levels linked to healthier hair cycles and even speeds regrowth in stressed scalps. For seniors facing age-related slowdowns in blood flow to the scalp, this herb revives dormant follicles without harsh side effects. If you're enjoying this, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips on senior health and wellness. It's no wonder it's called underrated over-harvesting has made wild jatamansi endangered, pushing it into obscurity. But sustainable powders and oils now make it accessible again. Imagine your hair feeling silky, with less fallout clogging the drain, just like your grandmother's. Science behind the magic jatamansi isn't folklore. Its power comes from antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that protect hair from oxidative stress, the main culprit behind senior hair loss. It ramps up scalp circulation, delivering oxygen and nutrients to follicles that often starve as we age, while antimicrobial properties fight dandruff and itchiness common in drier, mature scalps. One study highlighted its terpenoids, like nardole and jatamansic acid, which extend the hair growth phase and thicken strands. For us golden agers, this means tackling multiple issues at once: reduced split ends, faded grays, and brittle texture from years of sun and stress. Paired with its calming aroma, it even lowers cortisol, a stress hormone that thins hair in later life, helping you sleep better too. As we hit 55 plus, hormones shift, circulation slows, and hair cycles shorten, but jatamansi steps in like an old friend. It moisturizes without greasiness, ideal for thinning crowns or receding lines many of us notice. Real users report shinier locks and less shedding after consistent use, echoing elders' testimonials from Ayurvedic texts. Minoxidil, which can irritate older skin, this natural root works holistically, supporting overall vitality. Gentle enough for daily rituals, it prevents the senior scalp dryness that leads to breakage. If you've tried everything and nothing sticks, this forgotten gem could be your gentle game changer. Safe ways to use jatamansi at home. Start simple with jatamansi root powder, available online or at Ayurvedic stores. Mix a teaspoon with warm coconut or sesame oil to make a nurturing scalp serum. Warm it gently, massage into your scalp for 10 minutes nightly, and leave overnight before shampooing. Elders did this thrice weekly for visible thickness in months. For sensitive seniors, dilute further or patch test first to avoid rare allergies. Add it to your routine gradually, alongside gentle brushing to boost circulation without pulling fragile strands. This method revives the traditional oil bath that kept hair robust into the 80s and beyond. Easy DIY recipes for everyday. Recipe 1. Jatamansi hair oil blend 2 TSP powder, 1 cup coconut oil, and 5 drops rosemary essential oil. Heat on low for 20 minutes, strain, and store in glass. Apply post-shower on damp hair, focusing on roots. This combo supercharges growth, while rosemary adds DHT blocking power for age-related thinning. Recipe 2. Strengthening mask. Combine 1 TSP Jatamansi powder, plain yogurt, and honey. Apply for 30 minutes weekly to hydrate and fortify strands from within. Elders mixed it with amla for extra vitamin C punch, preventing brittleness common after 60. These take minutes but deliver spa-like results affordably. Pairing with other elder secrets. Boost Jatamansi with Bringraj, the king of hair herb, for double regrowth action. Mix powders 1:1 in oil for a potent tonic. Or add Brahmi for stress-reduced shedding, mimicking ancient formulas healers used on village elders. Avoid overload. Start with 1 herb to track benefits on your unique scalp. Diet matters too. Eat omega-rich walnuts and greens to amplify effects internally. Results you can expect. Many seniors see less fallout in 4 to 6 weeks, fuller ponytails by 3 months, thanks to prolonged anagen growth phase. Studies on similar herbs confirm 20 to 30% density gains. User stories glow about reversed graying and shine. Patience is key. Consistent use mirrors the lifelong habits of our vibrant grandparents. Track progress with monthly photos. Combine with hydration and sleep for optimal revival. Precautions for golden years. Though safe, consult your doctor if on blood thinners, as it mildly affects circulation. Source ethically grown Jatamansi to support sustainability. Avoid wild harvested. Not for pregnant folks or open wounds. Overuse may dry scalp, so hydrate with aloe. Quality trumps quantity. Choose organic extracts over cheap fillers. Where to get it and final encouragement. Find pure Jatamansi oil or powder on trusted sites like Amazon India, or Ayurvedic brands such as Himalaya or Patanjali. Aim for 100% root extracts under $20. Start your jar today and reclaim that youthful mane elders enjoyed. You've got this. Your hair deserves this gentle revival. Drop a comment. What's your biggest hair worry? Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.